Have you ever wondered why your body feels stiff even though you're stretching or working out regularly? You might be thinking, I'm just getting older, or I need to stretch more. But what if I told you it's not really your muscles that are the problem? It's something else, something most people never train at all. It's called fascia, and if you've never heard of it, don't worry, you're not alone. But once you understand what it is and why it matters, things start to make a lot more sense. And the really good news? You don't need to stretch harder or work out longer, you just need to bounce. So fascia is basically this stretchy connective web that runs all through your body. It wraps around your muscles, your bones, your joints, even your organs. You can think of it like a full body wetsuit that holds everything in place, or like a sponge that's full of fluid when it's healthy. But here's the thing, fascia only stays healthy if you move. When you stop moving, or if you only move in the same way all the time, like sitting a lot or doing the same workout every day, fascia starts to dry out, tighten and lose its bounce. And that's when you start to feel stiff, compressed, achy, like your body is aging faster than it should. The wild part is, you can still have strong muscles and feel stiff, because fascia isn't about strength, it's about glide, elasticity, hydration, and we don't usually train that. Most people try to fix stiffness by stretching more, right? Hamstrings, back, hips, hold the pose and feel the burn. But the problem is, that's mainly targeting your muscles. Fascia is different. Fascia responds best to gentle, rhythmic, bouncy movements, not just long static stretches. Imagine a dry sponge. If you try to pull on it, it cracks. But if you gently bounce it in water, it softens. And that's what fascia needs, hydration through movement. So instead of just forcing a stretch, you want to get your body moving in a way that encourages fascia to open up, rehydrate and move more freely. And that's where rebounding comes in. Rebounding, bouncing on a mini trampoline, is one of the best things you can do for your fascia, and here's why. It creates multi-directional movement, up, down, side to side, back and forth, all in one motion. And that's exactly what fascia responds to. It also generates soft, repetitive force, like pulsing, and that helps pump fluid into your tissues. Basically, you're rehydrating your fascia while also gently loading it, which makes it stronger and more elastic. Plus, it's easy on your joints. You don't need to land hard or jump high. Even just bouncing with your feet on the mat is enough to get the benefits. Honestly, it's one of the few things I found that feels good while you're doing it and also makes your body feel better after, especially if you're dealing with stiffness, pain or even mood dips. You don't have to be young or fit to start. One of the best things about rebounding is that anyone can do it. You don't need to be super flexible or athletic. You can start really smart, just light bouncing, arms swinging, breathing deeply. You're not pushing, you're not forcing anything. You're just letting your body move the way it's built to. I've seen older people in their 60s, 70s get back more energy, better balance and way less joint pain just from a few minutes of bouncing a day. Your fascia wants to move, it just needs an invitation. So here's the big idea to take away from this. If your body feels stiff, tight or old, it's probably not your muscles, it's your fascia. And instead of stretching harder or working out more, try moving softer, with bounce, with rhythm. Rebounding is one of the most effective and enjoyable ways to do that. And once you get into the rhythm, your body starts to feel younger, lighter, more alive. So if this has convinced you and you're absolutely ready to feel better, bounce better and move with the vitality of your best years, then subscribe now and ring the bell so you don't miss what's coming next. And if you want to go deeper on how rebounding heals your joints, your lymph flow and even your mood, check out this video next, how rebounding heals the body. Bye.